Reaction due to OH part of carboxylic group. Formation of esters. The reaction is also called esterification reaction. Carboxylic acids, when react with alcohols in presence of acid, they form esters. From acids, carboxylic acid, there is cleavage of OH, and from acid alcohols there is cleavage of H, combined to form ester, and there is a release of H2O molecule. For example, here acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. From acetic acid there is cleavage of OH and ethyl alcohol, H from alcohol to form H2O, and product is ester. Here ethyl acetate is formed. If we are using benzoic acid and methyl alcohol, acids OH, cleavage OH, from acid and alcohol there is cleavage of H to form H2O molecule and methyl benzoate. Reaction with thionyl chloride, phosphorus pentachloride to form acid chlorides. So when carboxylic acids react with thionyl chloride or phosphorus pentachloride, acid chlorides are formed. From acid there is cleavage of OH bond and thionyl chloride, SOCl, so we form acetyl chloride, sulfur dioxide and HCl. Benzoic acid, from benzoic acid there is cleavage of OH from COH bond, phosphorus pentachloride, one chloride combined with acid to form benzyl chloride, side product phosphorus trichloride, hydrochloric acid, phosphorus oxytrichloride. Reaction with ammonia. Carboxylic acids, when react with ammonia to form ammonium salts, further upon heating, ammonium salts loses water molecule and acid amides are formed. Example, we are taking benzoic acid. From benzoic acid there is cleavage of OH bond combined with ammonia to form ammonium benzoate. Upon heating, ammonium benzoate remove water molecule and product is benzamide. Formation of acid anhydrides. Carboxylic acids, two molecules of carboxylic acids, when combined with a strong dehydrating agent like phosphorus pentoxide, it forms acid anhydrides. Here acetic acid, two molecule of acetic acid, from one hydrogen and from other there is cleavage of OH bond combined to form H2O, and in presence of strong dehydrating agent, upon heating acids form anhydrides. This CO bond, acetic anhydrides. Benzoic acid, we are taking the example of two molecules of benzoic acid, heating in presence of strong dehydrating agent, benzoic anhydride are formed. This group is called anhydride group. Benzoic anhydride formed and there is a release of H2O molecule.